This is Deepak from techpex.com. Today I am here to demonstrate your project on the electrical systems. Most of the researchers generally work in the field of the image, wireless communication, etc. But there are many people who are working on the electrical. We are one of them. So today I am here to represent you a problem, that is economic load dispatch, in which the basically power is to maintain that how much costing will be there. It matters. For that we are applying the optimization algorithm to achieve the particular fitness, or the mainly you can say that the objective function which we want to achieve. So when I running this code, this is an problem which is practically taken from an electrical book, in which basically the power plant, there are 3 power plants, in cost characteristics of those are given, demanded power will be given, what will be the minimum power and the maximum power of the plant, that will be given. On the behalf of that, the loss coefficients will be there, and finally by using the optimization algorithm, we will find the finalized results, that how much power will be there for the power plant 1, 2 and 3, so that the costing will be less and the demanded power can be achieved. So this is the major objective, which is known as the economic load dispatch problem. So when I running this code, it will ask, because mostly in electrical the work is on the basis of generalized scenarios and real-time scenarios, so the values cannot be fixed. So the function which we are using, that are totally user defined, as number of units we have to enter. As I was talking, that the number of units will be 3 in count, so you can also change that for the 4, for 5 or 6. Those are the standards used in the industry. So we will demonstrate you the example on the 3 units. When I press enter, it will ask you for the cost characteristics of the power plant number 1, and those values will be, I am taking that value from the book name as Power System Optimization by the D.P. Kothari. So the problem of economic load dispatch was taken from that, in which the P square values are approximately 0.00525, and then the P characteristics are 8.663, then 328.3 for the rupees per hour. These are the cost characteristics. Similarly for the power plant 2, it is 0.00609, then 10.04, then 136.91, and for the power plant 3, it is 0.00592, 9.760 and 59.16. So these are the cost characteristics. Then the demanded power taken in that particular problem was 300 megawatt. So I am entering that. The minimum power of the power plant 1 is 50, upper one is 250. For the power plant 2, it is 5 megawatt and upper one is 150, and for the third one it is 15 and the 100. When I press enter, it will move to the loss coefficients. The loss coefficients are also represented by the variable B. So for that I am entering the values which are taken from that particular book is 0.000136, then 0.0000175, then 0.00184. Sorry, it's 0.0000184. So I am entering it again. So enter. Next, the next are 0.0000175, then 0.000154, 0.000283, then 0.0000184, then 283, then 0.00161. So it's again 000. So when I entering this, it will ask me to enter the population size on which you want to work. I am entering the population, that is 20. The number of generation we want, that is I am taking it 100. When I press enter, it will run for that and give me the particular, the total power achieved is 315, and for the power plant 1 it is 207, 11 and 95.686. These are the power values, and the fitness which we are achieving, that is 0.0094. It is above 300 because there are some power losses and all. Those are be explained in the particular examples of the economic load dispatch, that why this is exceeding than the demanded power. So hope you people like this video and help you in clearing your doubts regarding the electrical fields of the economic load dispatch. So thanks for watching the video. For the further details, you can visit our website, that is techpex.com.